So I was working out with my soccer ball and my stuff, and I found this. I'll show you right now. It's really cool. Okay, you see these birds? I don't know if you could see them or not, but like their natural instinct makes them protect their nest. So this is their nest. I'm really scared from them because they try to attack me. So this is their nest. Look how close they get. Look, they're freaking out. This is the mom. Look, they're attacking me, literally. And there is a lot of them. Look, they're getting really close. They're not scared from themselves because they're like the closer I get, the closer they get. Look. I just want to see if the kids there or not. Holy crap! Oh my god, they get really close. Is that a baby there? You told me it. Alright, we're done here. Huh. I'm leaving, okay. Leave me alone right now. They're still chasing me.